Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Winner chicken dinner. That's a very good packaging. Look at it. Wow. This is a wireless microphone. Yoobao wireless lavalier and the charging case and USB-C and lightning. Perfect. Two connectors. Let's open it up. Wow, that is a sleek little bag. But I usually do not use this bag. So this is the charging station, I bet. Yeah, this is the charging station. Stop. Uh-oh, why it does not turn off? Where is the lavalier? Is that inside? Let's take a look. This is the charger. This is the charger. This is charger. Gosh. I am this kind of person that usually do not look at wow, that's very strong magnetic. This must be the user manual. User menu. Oh, here is one. Here is another one. And where is the mic? And this is the mic. This is connected to the phone. And that is it. And that is the mic. Oh no. How do I get this one out? Is there a trick of it? How do I get this one off? This is a charging. What did I do wrong? Oh, okay. Oh, it's very strong magnetic. Yeah, okay. It's actually easy. Okay, this is the lavalier. Oh, this one you can put in the clothes, I think. Look at it. For example, you have a t-shirt. You have a t-shirt, and this is the color of the t-shirt. Oh yeah, and this way is connects. This way is going away. Okay. Yeah, I can figure it out. Okay, now I will connect this and we will try to hear with or without. Okay? Okay, I am using one of it. What is the sound quality? How does it work? I am using it right now. Now I am using the other one. Now I am using the other one. Let's see, I will go to the other room and give it a try. Now I am in the other room, and now I am in the other room. Okay, now I take out all the microphone. I first used this microphone, and now I am taking out this and this connector. I am not using Yoobao and talking in the relatively the right distance. About this is 1 feet from the cell phone, and here about 2 feet from the cell phone, and you can compare the difference. This is not using.